This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Marcos, California, 92069 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV San Marcos. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.